Hello guys and welcome back to another fun photography challenge video. So today's challenge is a little different, and for the challenge I have with me Vedant. Now Vedant will tell you a little backstory of how he went into photography.
So guys, this is Vedant.jpg. So I started photography with basic device. Okay, I was a phone photographer before and I got 15 features from official handle of Vivo. After that, one of my friend took Hero 8. Okay, so I used that device which is basically a action camera. Okay, with fixed focal length. So I started using Hero 8 and I got 5 official features of GoPro, and I won many GoPro awards too. And after that, I also won GoPro Hero 9.
His story is really inspiring, and which tells us that device is not important, and even if you have no device, you can start with your phone. Today's challenge is a device exchange challenge in which I'll be using the GoPro and Vedant will be using the DSLR. This will be really interesting because I really love the perspective GoPro has, and even Vedant has not shot with DSLR before. So let's see how the challenge goes. Each of us are given 5 minutes to explain about our devices. So he will go first and I'll explain him about the settings and all. Manual. Vedant is starting with his challenge. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
And what is your thought process? What pictures are you going to capture?
Okay, so here are many portrait faces. Okay, so I'll try my hands on. Okay, I'm not used to with DSLR, but I'll try my best.
Okay, so let's go. So for today's challenge, there is not as such time limit, but we are giving each one maximum 15 minutes to capture. So let's start. So how many times in a week do you come to shoot here?
Mostly weekend. Okay, so weekend basically I just roam here and there when I'm bored at home.
Okay, so he lives nearby and he gets a lot of captures here, and he has shot some really cool pictures at this place. I'll link them here so you can just have a look at it.
Okay, so this is basic means focal length is fixed. Okay, so I'm not able to handle it as easy as GoPro.
Okay. Sure, he will get good shots because he has a really nice photography vision. I'm giving you a challenge to capture a black and white portrait. You have to capture a portrait and edit it as black and white, and one picture should be a storytelling. Now changing the location a bit. Change the location again, and let's see if we get some good shots. 12 minutes are over and he's still shooting. Trying the black and white portrait now. Okay, good. You get a story and a black and white portrait?
Yes, I got one portrait and story also. Okay, like two friends are sitting and basically a nice story.
Okay. Okay, done. What was your challenge?
Actually, I got many friends. Okay, some portrait faces. Okay, I will post them, and some pictures are really good. Okay, so let's see how it goes.
What was the toughest thing about this challenge? What do you think?
Okay, I was facing problem like to focus and all. Okay, basically I know this is also fixed focal length, but
Yes.
then also manual focus and autofocus. I'm not used to DSLR devices.
Okay.
So it was really difficult task for me to manage between those two.
Okay, but let's check out his shots and let's see what he has done in the challenge. I'm using the GoPro Hero 9 and he has explained me a little about the device. I'm going to use the photo mode and the light burst mode. So let's see how I go. So what kind of challenge would you like to give me for the device?
I want one action shot. Okay. So whoever
Motion
maybe
shot.
in frame, okay, motion shot or any jump shot or in any frame like that.
I'll try.
And you can nail your perspectives. Okay.
So the 3 challenges that I have been given given are, first one is to capture an architectural building with a different perspective, a motion shot, and third one is a frame-in-frame or a different wide-angle perspective of a portrait. So let's begin.
Sharanya is trying to get that wide angle frame, okay, from just close to subject. Let's see how it goes. Low angle shot. Let's see.
When I was not shooting, I was getting a lot of ideas, but when it is my challenge, I'm
Yes, it happens. So she's finding that perfect frame. Ah, Baba. So she's getting really nice frame, okay. I think this shot will turn out. Sharanya, you can switch the mode, okay, live burst.
I'm switching it to light burst now.
So Sharanya, what are you trying here?
So I'm trying a high angle shot.
Okay.
Basically a portrait high angle shot. Let's see how it goes.
So Sharanya, are you happy with results?
Yes, I guess so. They have turned out good. Because I love cricket. So now Vedant has suggested me a shot. He's going to jump there and I'm going to take a architectural shot plus a motion picture in the live burst mode. So let's see how it goes.
Sharanya is trying some reflection game here, okay? Sharanya is trying to find some frames, okay? Sharanya, what are you doing here basically? Just tell me.
So I'm trying different perspective with kids. I love capturing kids.
Okay.
So let's see. And I love how kids are getting different perspective to this because I won't have got this kind of perspective on a DSLR. So it is pretty interesting. So guys, that's it for today's challenge. I hope you enjoyed the challenge and the pictures. How was your experience?
It was really amazing, okay? I was not used to this device, so it was basically really amazing experience.
Yes, and guys, don't forget to follow him on his Instagram. He also has a YouTube channel named as Horrorful Engineers. The link to the channel will be in my description. So see you next time with another challenge, another video. Bye.
So do like, share and subscribe the video.
Yes.